Hello and thank you for tuning in to Saya Resam, your personal guide through the ever-expanding world of technology. In this episode, we'll put a hotly anticipated device through real-world tests to see if it lives up to its hype. What happens when a gaming phone goes full cyberpunk, adds a massive battery, a flagship camera system, and one of the most powerful chips ever made? This is the brand new iQOO 15 Ultra, and honestly, it might be one of the boldest Android phones of the year. Just launched in China, the iQOO 15 Ultra isn't just about raw gaming performance anymore. This time, iQOO is going all in design, cameras, battery life, cooling, and everyday usability. And after spending some time with it, this thing feels like a gaming phone that finally grew up. Let's start with the design. Right away, the phone screams cyberpunk. The back panel features a unique hexagonal honeycomb texture that creates a 3D lighting effect when light hits it. It looks aggressive, futuristic, and super eye-catching, almost like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. But it's not just for looks. The matte finish helps reduce fingerprints and sweat, making it much easier to grip during long gaming sessions. Around the frame, you'll notice subtle gold, metallic accents that add a premium touch without losing that hardcore gamer vibe. And then there's the camera module. It's a square layout in the top left corner. But what really stands out is the RGB lighting strip around it. You get customizable breathing light effects that glow while gaming or receiving notifications. It's flashy but in a cool way. iQOO also built hidden air vents and curved airflow channels directly into the body, preparing the phone for something most smartphones don't have: active cooling. But we'll talk about that in a second. Before that, let's check out the front. You're getting a large 6.85-inch flat LTPO display, which is about 17.4 centimeters, with sharp 2K resolution. Colors look vibrant, contrast is deep, and everything feels super smooth thanks to the adaptive refresh rate. Whether you're scrolling social media or gaming at high frame rates, it automatically adjusts to save power while keeping animations buttery smooth. There's also an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor, which unlocks almost instantly even if your fingers are wet. Way more reliable than traditional optical sensors. Now let's talk performance. Inside, this phone packs the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, Qualcomm's most powerful mobile chip right now, combined with up to 24 gigabytes of RAM and a massive 1 terabyte of storage. This thing is an absolute multitasking monster. You can open dozens of apps, switch games, stream, record, and it barely breaks a sweat. But here's where it gets even crazier. iQOO added its own dedicated Q3 gaming chip. This chip enables features like real-time resolution, upscaling to 2K, and full scene ray tracing, bringing console-level visuals straight to your phone. Lighting effects look more realistic, shadows are sharper, and overall gameplay just feels more immersive. To keep all that power cool, the phone uses an active cooling system called Ice Dome. Yes, there's an actual internal fan. Hot air gets pushed out through hidden vents, helping the phone stay cool even during long gaming sessions, so you don't get thermal throttling or uncomfortable heat buildup. And for gamers, there are capacitive shoulder triggers on the side. With a 600 Hz touch sampling rate, they respond almost instantly, like using a real game controller. Perfect for shooters or racing games. Now let's talk cameras, because surprisingly, this isn't just a gaming phone anymore. You get 350 megapixel cameras, a main sensor, an ultra-wide, and a periscope telephoto with 3x optical zoom. Photos are sharp, detailed, and consistent in different lighting conditions. It completely breaks the stereotype that gaming phones take bad pictures. Battery life? This thing is insane. A huge 7,400 mAh battery that's way bigger than most flagships. You can easily last all day, maybe even 2 days with light use. And with 100-watt fast charging, you can refill the battery incredibly fast. There's even bypass charging, so when you game while plugged in, power goes straight to the phone instead of heating up the battery. which helps protect battery health. Add in dual stereo speakers tuned with Dolby Atmos and a dual-axis vibration motor for better haptics. And you've got a full entertainment powerhouse. So if you want a phone that looks futuristic, performs like a beast, stays cool under pressure, and still takes great photos, the iQOO 15 Ultra might be the ultimate all-in-one flagship gaming phone.